In our groups, we are going to see how we handle this question. So, in groups of 5, answer the questions below. The first is, find the elemental points on the line. I think now you know why this is the line. Okay? So, find the coordinates of points A, B, C, and D on the line below. These are there. Then here, red line joining the points P, Q. Then so the points where the line above cuts the x-axis and y-axis. So this is cuts. So they want you to get where this line cuts the x and the y-axis. Of course, you know the y-axis and the x-axis. Okay, so we are going to start with that. So we are going to do it in groups of 5. So can we start? You are having 5 minutes for each. Okay, we've started. And then group. So why we use the 10 minutes? Okay, if you're done with what you work. Okay, bring. Okay, I've got group C. We are going to see the work on group C. We have group C here. So group C, they have to do. So I have group C here. So I'm going to use group C. Then we also have group 3. Seeing group 3 here also. They are having their work here. Group 3. Okay, let me put everything here. Are we able to see here? Properly? Okay. So then we have another one. This is group D. Group D. We have group D. For them, we are handling this one. So I think I can put here. This is group D. Then we have group 8. So group 8, let me put them here. Group 8. Okay. You look at the graph of group 8. I think all of you can see it from here. The graph of group 8. So that's how they are able to plot it. Group 8. So this is their graph. Let me also include here the graph of group 8. Okay, so can we start handling each group? So here group 3. This one is misbehaving. Let me first vaccinate it. Even this one is misbehaving. Okay. Misbehave as we are vaccinating you immediately. Okay, so that's what we have. So let us look at our friend's work and then we critique it. Okay, find elementary points on line. So group 3, they are formed 1, 1. They are having 1, 1 is there. They have -2, -2, which is D. So this is the point they have. So this is 1, 1. Then -2, -2, which is here. Then they have 0, 0, 0, 0 is here. That is the origin. So this was the easiest, I think, to get. Then this group, they have 2, 2. So 2, 2 is here. So 2, 2. So all of these groups were okay. So these ones have given 3. Then this one is gave 4. So all of them are right. So we give marks 1, 2, 3. The more you wrote, the more marks. So this one is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I think there everyone is okay there. Then when you mark this group, find the coordinates of the points A. Where is A? A is here. So A is 0, 4. They have 0, 4, which is okay. Then B, they have 2, 1. Is it 2, 1? Is it 2, 1? Let me get my pen. So here people are having this as 2, 1. But me when I look at it, instead the x here is 1, the y is 2. So this is wrong. So this point here, we can see it's going to be 1. comma 2. Then C they have 0, 2. No. C is 2, 0. So I expect this to be 2, 0. So that the X is 2. We are not moving Y. That's what I expected there. Then here, from the line joining the points. So can I first put? Let me first put and I also based on layers. And based on mine. So you have negative 2, 1. Negative 2, 1 is there. So that's negative 2, 1. Then we have 1, 4. 1, 4 is there. So those are the points we have. Of course, draw a line joining these two. So then I join these two lines. So that's the line joining those two. So this is Q, which is 1, 4. And then this is P. This is P, which is negative 2, 1. So that's the line joining those two. Okay, then they're asking me. So when I look at them, for them, they drew it properly. So whoever did this properly, you give a mark here and also give a mark here. So like me, I'm going to mark mine. That is okay, and that is also okay. So then part B, when we choose the points where the line above cuts the x-axis. Where is our x-axis? This is our x-axis. Where does this line cut it? So you see? So this is where it cuts it. So here at this point, the line cuts x-axis at negative 3, 0, which is very okay. So this is okay. Then y-axis at 3, 0, which is okay. So here you can see that it cuts here, it cuts, then y-axis. Then here, you see it cuts there, cuts the x-axis. So if you don't call this the x-axis, we call it the x-axis intercept. So this one can sometimes be called the y-axis intercept. So I'm adding this on to it. Then this one is called the x-axis intercept. So as long as the line is cutting or is touching the x-axis, we call it the x-axis intercept. This one is the y-axis intercept. So they vary. It can be this side, it can be this side, as long as it's touching the x-axis. So for this line, this will be the x-axis intercept. Then this will be the y-axis intercept. But now for this one, there are different lines. This one, the x-axis intercept is here, then the y-axis intercept is there. So this point is 0, 3. Then here, it's negative 3, 0. Because we have the x and we have no y, we are not moving any to the y. Here we have y, we are not moving any to the x. That's why we have them like that. So, yeah, that's what I expected this to be. I think our members have done the work very well. The rest of us give the work to the neighbors now, to the different groups. How many have got all the questions right? 102. Okay, I think the problem came in here. Anyway, that's how we handle it. So now we are going to go transfer this work into our books. Then you define what we call the y-axis intercept and the x-axis intercept. I want those definitions in your book. Okay? Yeah. It's okay. You try the exercise on the learner's slide, then you bring the book, the notes book with this work with you. Okay, see you.